In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable NSFW filter on Reddit. Before we begin, a quick note on what this setting does. NSFW stands for Not Safe for Work, and Reddit uses this filter to hide or show mature content. If you choose to enable it, Reddit will ask you to confirm that you're over 18. If you prefer not to see adult or sensitive material, you can keep it off. Now let's walk through the steps clearly and calmly so you can adjust it with confidence. Start by logging into your Reddit account. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. This opens your account's main settings area. Inside Settings, you'll see tabs across the top. Click the one labeled Preferences. This is where Reddit keeps many content and display options. In the Preferences page, locate the section called Content. Take your time and scroll if you need to, because this is where the toggle you're looking for lives. In the Content section, find the option labeled Show Mature Content. I'm over 18. To enable NSFW content, click or tap the toggle to turn it on. As soon as you do, Reddit will display a confirmation asking you to verify that you're 18 or older. Go ahead and confirm by selecting Yes, I'm over 18. Once confirmed, NSFW content can appear in your feed and search results according to Reddit's tagging rules. Right below that, you'll also see an option to blur mature images and media. If you want a layer of privacy or a gentler browsing experience, turn this on so images are obscured until you choose to view them. If you prefer to see thumbnails clearly, turn it off. Choose what feels most comfortable and appropriate for your environment. If you later decide you don't want to see NSFW content, simply return to the same content section and toggle Show Mature Content, I'm over 18 off. Your feed will then filter out mature posts again. Changes you make here typically save automatically, so there's no extra button to press, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to enable or disable Reddit's NSFW filter, as well as how to control whether mature images are blurred. If the interface looks slightly different, don't worry. Reddit occasionally updates its layout, but the content section under Preferences is still the place to look. Use these controls thoughtfully and set them to match your comfort level and browsing context.